Before assigning content to your students, make sure that you are signed in and the product that has the resources you want to assign is located in the Purchase tab underneath My Products. Videos about purchasing products and accessing products purchased for you can be found in the links below in the description. Go to My Products and select the product you want to access. Find the variation of the product you want to access and click View Resource. You will then be brought to the list of resources in the product. They may be in a curriculum structure with units, as seen here, or in a collection, which is simply a list of all the resources that are available to you. The resources can be assessments, assignments, lessons, and more. More info on the different resources you may encounter can be found in the link in the description. Find the resource you want to assign and select the ellipsis next to it. Next, select Assign Resource. If you're logged in with your Google Classroom credentials, the list of your courses from your Google Classroom account will be shown here. Select the class you want to assign the resource to and select Assign. You can then select View Now to view the resource in Google Classroom. This resource now lives in Google Classroom. You'll see it appear as an item in the course you selected when you log into Google Classroom. Click the link in the course item to be taken to the resource. The link will be found under the Instructions tab. It may ask you to re-authenticate through Google to access the resource. Once authenticated, you'll see the resource. View the link below to see how your students can access this resource.